Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a very effective bridal hair care routine. When it comes to hair care, we have to address three things: stress, scalp problems, and nutritional deficiencies. This hair care routine consists of a high protein drink that will strengthen the hair from within, weekly twice oil bath to reduce stress, and finally a nourishing hair pack that not only strengthens the hair but treats all scalp problems as well. Try to start this routine as early as possible for best results. For the pack, first cut a fresh aloe vera leaf and collect the inner gel. Now take a tablespoon of amla powder in a bowl. Add in a tablespoon of hibiscus powder. Add in the extracted aloe vera gel too. Finally, add in a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now grind this mixture to a smooth paste. If the mixture is very thick, add a little bit of water while grinding. To use, apply all over the scalp and hair. Wait for 20 minutes before washing it off. If you're using this pack after oil massage, you can skip the oil in the pack. This pack treats all scalp problems like itchiness and dandruff really effectively, along with nourishing the hair follicles well. In this fast-paced, highly stressful life, it's very essential that we stick to our traditions like oil bath. Traditionally, men have oil bath on Saturdays and women have oil bath on Fridays. I would recommend having oil bath both on Tuesdays and Fridays as a pre-bridal hair care routine. This will greatly reduce stress. Though we can warm up any unrefined oil and use it for oil massage, I would suggest using a special blend. It is a wonderful recipe that we regularly use at home, and I'll leave the link for it in the description box below. To use, take the oil and massage it gently all over the scalp. Wait for an hour. After an hour, dip a towel in hot water, squeeze out excess and wrap it around your head. Once the towel loses its heat, remove the towel, massage once more gently, and then have hair wash. For the hair growth promoting protein drink, first take a teaspoon of sabja seeds, also called as basil seeds, in a bowl. Now add a half cup of boiling hot water to it. The sabja seeds will start swelling immediately. Let the seeds rest for 10 minutes and then strain out the water using a strainer. Sabja seeds are very high in protein and they taste wonderful in this drink. To make the drink, take half tablespoon of nuts soaked in little hot milk for half an hour in a bowl. I have used cashews and walnuts here. Add in 2 large dates. Now add in 150 ml of milk to it. Add in a pinch of saffron too. Now grind this mixture to a fine smooth paste. Finally add in the soaked sabja seeds to the mixture. Now mix well. This drink tastes amazing and is very healthy. This drink is rich in protein, calcium, vitamins and minerals, all very essential for hair growth. It is also very filling and will keep you satiated for a very long time. I would highly recommend you have this drink every single day, especially if you're experiencing hair fall. Try to do this routine regularly and your hair will be strong, silky and smooth in no time at all. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.